Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix, your channel for smart solutions and tech tips. Today, we're starting a new tutorial. How to fix Amazon Fire Stick blank screen. Ensure you use power lead and power adapter that came with the Amazon Fire TV Stick. Unplug your Amazon Fire TV Stick from the mains power. Remove the Fire TV Stick Lite from the HDMI port, then plug it back in. Ensure the Fire TV Stick Lite is fully inserted into the HDMI port. Wait 1 minute, then plug the Amazon Fire TV Stick Lite back into the mains power. Ensure the TV is on the same source as the port the Amazon Fire TV Stick is plugged into. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.